Concrete float.
Zach, you have no pressure in here. This thing is leaking.
It's leaking at the end?
There's no pressure.
It is what it is, right?
Yeah. In case you're wondering why there's no pressure in there, it's coming out of this.
Oh, it's leak. I think he knew it was leaking out there a little.
We bumped it and it just started coming out. If you push it in, it leaks worse. So I don't know how those fittings work.
But we're fine on the pecs in here.
Yeah. That's why you think we're at zero and you poke a hole in that.
Well, no, I think he knew he was getting air bubbles in over there too.
No, I think when we bumped that little tap in, it leaked out of it.
I still smell the cat poo.
Hey, you weren't the one who had to go back in there and regrade them. I went in there and regraded everything.
Because the cat?
No, remember how crappy it was?
Yeah.
See how smooth it was? We went through and regraded everything from that. I'm the guy doing the bed, swapping around on it so much.
Well, I'll know that I'll have a couple precious little gems in there preserved forever.